Okay, this next rudiment is shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. And you're basically going to do it on the right side, on the left side, on the right side, on the left side. The first rudiment, when we do it in class and we put them all together, we do 8 of the first one. After that, we do 4 of each or 2 complete sets, depending on how you're counting it. So the next rudiment we're going to learn is we're going to do sort of a shuffle step heel again, but we're going to add a little spank to it. So let me turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing. So you're going to go shuffle step heel. You're going to do a heel drop on the opposite foot, and then you're going to do a spank step heel on the right foot. Then it goes left, shuffle step heel, heel, spank, step, heel. So all of the work is pretty much being done on one foot. The opposite foot does just a heel drop in the middle of it. So you're going to do this 4 times. Let's walk through it really slow. So you have shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Okay, so I kind of think about this in 2 parts, with the heel drop on the opposite foot kind of breaking it in half. So you have your shuffle, step, heel. That's part 1. Then you have your heel drop, that's your spacer, and then you're going to do spank, step, heel for the second half of it, and then it goes to the other foot. So that might help you think about it and remember it. All right, let's do this again. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. Okay, let's, when we do this in the routine, you're only going to do 4 of them or 2 complete sets like we just did. But I know that adding that little spank step heel can be tricky for a lot of people. So what I want to do is let's just do a whole bunch of them. We're going to start with the right foot. We're going to start kind of slow, and we'll kind of gradually increase in speed. So hopefully as you're getting it, you kind of get some speed with it. So starting right, you do shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and shuffle, step, heel, heel, spank, step, heel. 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 Five, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step,